how to repair Windows 10 or 11 in just a couple of steps. So if you have been facing any problems in Windows 10 or 11, then applying these 3 options will help you out. First of all, go to your search bar and type for CMD, and then make sure to run the command prompt as administrator. After you do that, then type the following command on your command prompt: sfc /scan now together. Click on enter, and after you click on enter, then the scanning should start, and after the scan's completed, then the problems that you've been facing on your PC should likely be fixed. But if it does not, then the next step that we're going to try out is open the command prompt as administrator again, like I did before, and inside the command prompt we will type the command of deployment image servicing and management. Command is as DISM /online again cleanup -image restore health together as shown in the screen. And after you type this command, click on enter, and after the deployment's completed, then make sure that you restart your PC. So after you have tried these 2 options but it still doesn't work out, then the next option that you can try out is troubleshooting. Go to the search bar and type troubleshoot. Go to troubleshoot settings, go to other troubleshooters. So this option that we're going to try out is for specific problems that you've been facing in specific fields. So for example, if you've been facing audio trouble, then simply click on run. Network and internet, simply click on run, and you can also click on program compatibility troubleshooter, click on run. Windows media player, click on run, right? So just choose the specific problem that you've been facing, and after you do that, just click on run next to it, and the problem that you've been facing on that field should likely be fixed with the help of Windows troubleshooter. But even if you have tried all these 3 options and these 3 options don't work out, and you want to reset your PC without losing your files, then what you can simply do is go to the Windows again and type recovery, and the list of settings you can see reset this PC. Click on it and click on reset PC. After you do that, you should see 2 options right here. Click on first option if you want to keep your personal files and remove settings and apps, but if you do not want anything and you want to remove everything, then you can just simply click on second option. If you click on the first option, then you'll be presented with the options of cloud recovery, so you can click on that, click on OK, click on necessary settings that you need to manage, and after that you can reset your PC. So after you do that, then it's pretty sure that the problem you've been facing will be fixed. So that's it. Those were some methods on how you can repair your Windows 10 or 11. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.